Welcome to this tutorial on how to search for sent videos in Google Drive on your PC following the latest updates. If you've ever struggled to find a specific video among your files, this guide will make the process simple and efficient. First, let's start by opening Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Drive interface where all your files are stored. Next, look for the advanced search icon located at the search bar at the top of the page. This icon typically looks like a small funnel or a downward arrow. Clicking on this will open up additional search options that allow you to refine your search criteria. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to focus on the type filter. Click on it and select videos from the list of file types. This step is crucial because it narrows down your search results specifically to video files, making it easier to find what you're looking for. After selecting the video type, turn your attention to the Owner filter. Here, choose Owned by Me. This ensures that you are only searching through videos that you have uploaded or created, eliminating any clutter from shared files or those owned by others. With these filters set, it's time to find the video you want. The search results will now display only those videos that meet your criteria. Scroll through the list until you locate the specific video you're after. If you have many videos, you can also use keywords related to the video's title to further refine your results. Once you've found your desired video, simply click on it to open or play it directly from Google Drive. This streamlined process not only saves you time but also enhances your productivity when managing media files. In summary, searching for sent videos in Google Drive is straightforward with these steps. Open Google Drive, click on the advanced search icon, select videos under type, choose Owned by Me under Owner, and finally locate your video in the results. With these tips, you'll be navigating through your files like a pro in no time.